Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the best of the best when it comes to keeping pesky rodents at bay. Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent Spray. If you've ever had to deal with mice or rats invading your home, you know how frustrating it can be. They chew on wires, damage furniture, and even create nests in the most inconvenient spots. But Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent Spray offers a natural, effective solution to stop rodents from causing trouble in your home or vehicle. Made with a powerful blend of peppermint and cinnamon oils, this spray creates a scent that rodents absolutely hate, making it the perfect solution for anyone looking to keep their space free from mice and rats without using harmful chemicals. What makes Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent stand out is its all-natural formula. It's free from toxic chemicals, which means you can spray it around your home with confidence, knowing that it's safe for your children, pets, and the environment. You won't find any glue traps or dangerous poisons here, so there's no need to worry about cleaning up after dead rodents. Simply spray the solution in areas where you've spotted mice, such as cupboards, attics, basements, cars, RVs, or even boats, and let it dry. Mice will run over the residue, and as they groom themselves, they'll rub the repellent into their fur, causing them to flee. The great thing about Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent Spray is that it's not just effective indoors. Whether you have a garage, barn, or outdoor storage space, you can use it to prevent rodents from setting up shop. Plus, it works on all types of mice, from house mice to field mice, and even rats. It's ideal for homes, RVs, boats, storage units, and even machinery that you want to keep rodent-free. Another fantastic feature of this spray is that it's easy to use. The 8-ounce bottles come in packs of 2, providing enough solution for you to tackle multiple areas in your home or vehicle. There's no need for complicated applications or professional services, just spray and let the natural oils do their job. Whether you're dealing with a small infestation or just want to take proactive measures to keep your space safe, Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent Spray is the product you need. It's natural, effective, and best of all, it works. So say goodbye to worrying about mice chewing through wires or building nests in hidden corners. That's it for today's review of Grandpa Gus's Mouse Repellent Spray. If you're looking for a safe, chemical-free way to keep your home or vehicle free of rodents, this is definitely the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.